Alrighty kids, welcome back to another edition of Jurassic Parked. We're here, parked, being Rex like, working on the old 2015. Today we're just doing a quick one. We'll be swapping out our oil filter rather, doing an oil change. And here's a trusty set that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need your oil filter, of course. What is it? There you go, from Fram. You're gonna need a crush gasket for your oil plug. You're gonna need a 14 mil and a socket to take that out. You're gonna need a 28.5 pound torque wrench, I believe, 29 pounds, rag. You're gonna need 5.1 quarts. So I'm hoping 6 liters. I didn't do my math, but I assumed gonna be maybe making an ass out of you and me there. God, I hope not. Yeah, your drain pan, your funnel, and your 2015 WRX. So let's get to it. Pop this off, get underneath the car here. Where are we? And right there, that little bad boy is gonna be where we'll be draining that oil out of. So yeah, get the 14 mil, crack that, get a drain pan under here, and get to her. That was easy. There you are. Now that's going to be fairly hot if you're driving. Alright. So when you get up to the top here, you want to crack your thing, oil, leave it on top just like that so nothing gets in it. Oh, come on now. Holy. Come on, Martha, put your back into it. Fuck's sakes. There we go. And just make sure you don't spill a whole bunch of shit. I'm gonna clean that up best I can. Sort, try and get as many of the contaminants out of there as we can. Get a clean rag, and then get to fill in the new filter a little bit before we stick it in. Now we're not going to dump a shit ton in there, but I'm going to fill it up, let her soak down a little, bring it up to the top of the threads maybe. Alrighty. Now you might find, as I did, that your crush gasket is fucked. Like, this was really hard to separate. It was squished down. It maybe hadn't even been changed in a couple. I don't know. I didn't do my oil changes before this, so I just yeah, you separate it. Get our fresh crush gasket there, and then hopefully when we put this back in and we torque her down, we get a nice seal. So yeah. Alrighty, so there's our new crush gasket on there, waiting to go on the bottom here. So we're gonna need to back up in here where she's finished draining, and I'm just gonna go ahead and reinsert that. Just put it right back in there, eh? Tighten her down. And gonna torque that to 28.5, I believe. Add the 5.1 quarts of oil, and Robert Shafother's brother, mate. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get to it. Little double tap. Let's try and not make a colossal fucking mess. There you go. Let's Yeah, it's tight. Tight enough. I'm gonna over tighten that motherfucker. So we'll pull out our oil cap. 5W30. Make sure you got it. If y'all are stoners, you've been drinking today, make sure that plug's in the bottom. Now, I mean, what is all this? All this oil filter, little gasket was free from Wolf Subaru, so thank you, gentlemen, for hooking me up with a free gasket again. But yeah, I mean, we're looking at a $50 cost instead of 100 and I think 130 is what they're charging me nowadays to take it in and get her done at the Jiff Lube. Let's see what's what. Alrighty, that's 5 liters. I don't know how many fucking quarts. Because we ain't America up here. They got their own fucking problems, and pounds and ounces ain't one of them. Oh, come on now. Now that is right on full. With 5 plus a full filter. So yeah, 5 liters plus filling up the oil filter, and we're sitting right on the full. So yeah, I'm gonna drive it around the yard and check back and see if it's legitimate. All right, let's check that out here. Now, there you can see right on the full line there with a little drip down. Perfect. Parky hands, come on now. Get in there. Right on, skis. Well, thanks for tuning in there, kids. This has been 2015 WRX oil change. Jurassic parked being Rex Lake. So yeah, a little bit of basic maintenance. Keep doing that. The most important mod of any time. Always your maintenance. Oil changes every 5,000, but I'm not gonna lie, I just did that after 4, and my shit was black, and it was a little bit wandering idle, so that's all fixed up now. Thanks for tuning in.